Hi, this is Dan Maloney. I'm at the Matrox booth at ISE 2020. We're at the Monarch LCS pod. This is a lecture capture device with two full inputs, full HD inputs, either HDMI or SDIs. And we're able with this device to be able to capture two full HD streams or recordings to be able to feed a VMS platform of your choice, whether it be Kaltura, Ensemble Video, TechSmith Relay. We're able to integrate this platform, this encoding platform, into their VMS and be able to pull down schedules and upload files via automated FTP so that the user, the professor, the administrators have very little work. Set it up, forget it. Let the portal for the VMS do all of the work. So that's Monarch LCS. You can get more information at matrox.com/video. Thank you.